Good morning, everybody. Today I am going to conduct the second practical session of the C++ programming. In the beginning, I remember you are familiar with now. First of all, I think you are remember that for in the first programming, I introduced some C++ main things. Okay, main there is some IO stream like there is a header files, and I think you are familiar with that. And they are using in the like printf function in the beginning printf function. Like here we are in the C program C++. We are using C in command, and we are using scanf like in the C programming. Here I using what C out. Sorry, here C out command. Like here we are using C in command. Likewise, there are several keywords. Okay, I think you are familiar with that. So here today I'm going to do some things about functions and the array. Okay, in the mainly, I am going to do some programming by using functions and array today. Okay, in this session, so we have to do some practical using function as well as the arrays. So we have to gain the general knowledge, general structures about function and arrays, and we can get the general knowledge about that. Okay, so first of all, look at the first question. Okay, shall we move to the first one? Okay, let's move to the first one. Okay, here you can see there is a question. Write a function called circ area. Okay, there is a function called circ area. Okay, what should be the function there? The function is the circ area here. Okay, this is a function. The function is the circle area that find the area of circle. Okay. Why do we are using the function here? There should be a find the area of the circle. It should take an argument of the type plot and return the argument in the same time. Okay. There should be argument of the right plot type. Okay. The circle area function should be the plot area type. Okay. Plot type. Okay. It should be the plot data type. And there should be the return the argument. Argument means there should be the return the area of the circle by using this function. Okay. There should be the return function of the area here. And write a main function that gets the radius values from the user. There should be the variable. That variable should use in the keyboard input. Okay, that should be a scene function, and also the radius value should be a variable. Okay, it should be a variable, and it should be a C in keyboard input. No. මේක variable එකක් වෙන්නත් ඕනේ ඒ වගේම user input එකක් එන්න ඕනේ and there should be a finally calls the circ area function in the top of the programming, and you can do the result as it. Okay, now shall we start it? Can we start it? Try to do that one quickly. I will do first of all, try to get the output here. You can try. First of all, you can try. Okay, and try to get the output here. There should be what? First of all, there should be a, in the beginning, if I use in there, I open in the Quincy platform. First of all, I will open the Quincy platform here. Okay. If I open the Quincy platform, you can see I will open the Quincy platform. Okay. Okay, like here I would have to get the radius of the input the radius and get the output of the circ area function. Okay, okay. First of all, there should be what? There should be the variable. It can be for radius, and there should be plot radius. Okay, there should be a plotting data type, and I can type something there. Okay, we can get something, type something there. Type something like enter the radius value. Likewise, you can enter something there. Okay, I type is something, enter radius of the circle. Likewise, okay, enter radius of circle. Likewise, I can type something there, and I can use the tab function also there to for taking some space there. Okay, I can take some space like here, and here should be what? Now I do a command for enter radius. Likewise, now you can enter the radius value only. So you can enter radius here. Okay, radius variable there. Now what should be there? Now, according to the radius value, I can get the area of the circle. So I can type like the area is equal to, likewise, area is should be what? I can type something. Area is what is the answer? I concatenate the program here. I can concatenate this one. So according to here, shall you remember there's a circle. If I the radius as the r, what is the area of the circle? We can get it as a phi r square. Area is equal to phi r square. Did you remember this equation? According to this variable r, this phi value is didn't change anytime. Okay, this is a constant. This should be the constant. No, this should be the constant. So it is doesn't change anytime. Okay, it is doesn't change anytime because this is the constant value. Okay, make a constant එකක් නිසා මේක වෙනස් වෙන්නේ නැහැ කොයි වෙලාවක. Okay, this is doesn't change anytime. Okay, now I rename this as a constant value, so I can get the output like here. It should be a constant value. So phi is equal to I think 3.141. Likewise, there should be a value like here. Okay, so according to this constant value, this is the variable. We can vary the radius value several times. After according that variable, you can get the output area like here. Okay, variable එකට එක එක values දෙද්දී අපිට output area එක ගන්න පුළුවන්. So I can get like here. Now tell me phi is equal to 3.5 141 likewise. So I can get this like here. It should be 3.141 likewise. No? And into phi r square. 5 times radius type radius here. Okay, likewise you can get the output. Okay, and if I can use the inline function there. Okay, I can use the inline function here. So mainly if I use like here, if I compile this one, you can see there are no errors. Good, 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 good. And if I run this one, you can see the enter the radius of the circle. If I put 7, you can get the output like here. Okay, it is easy. But here I want what? I wanted the pass. Did you remember the question? There should be a circ area function. So I wanted to create a plotting type circ area function there. There should be a plotting type circ area function. So I create another function. It is circ area function. It should be a plotting circ area function. What should be there? Plotting circ area function there. Okay. And there should be a parenthesis for function. So there should be passing some value. Okay. There should be what? The plot is circular area function, there should be a consonant value. There should be consonant value for phi, no? Phi කියන එක කියලා වෙනස් වෙලා ඒක ඒ නිසා consonant එකක් වෙන්න ඕනේ. So I declare a variable there. It should be a consonant variable. I take it as a consonant plot variable. It should be equal to 5. Okay. 5 should be equal to 3.141 likewise. Okay. I can declare this one. And I wanted to get the circle area value. In the circle area function, I wanted to get the area of the circle. Okay. So that case, what do? We can use return the area value here. What should be there? There should be return the area value. Okay. Finally, there should be return the area value. So it should be equal to 5 times what? 5 times radius times radius. Okay. This is our answer. It should be 5 times r times r. But in here, I declare the plotting variable as the radius. But here, I declare it as r. Why? This is a country. This is like India, I think. In the India, we are using normally in the Indian rupees. But in Sri Lanka, we can't use the Indian rupees. Okay. So we are in the Sri Lanka, we can we wanted to convert it to the Sri Lankan rupees. Okay. Like here, if we are taking buying some foil from the another country, we can't get the foil from the Sri Lankan rupees. Okay, because it is another country. They didn't use the uh, Sri Lankan rupees. Okay, so we have to convert our Sri Lankan rupees into dollars. Likewise, this is another variable, another function. So there shouldn't use the radius here. He doesn't know the radius. So in the another function, we have to declare another variable depend on the circle area function. The circle area function total depend on this R variable. The circle area function is total depend on this R variable. So here you can't put the radius here. You have to put this one as the R. Okay, because this is another country. Okay, we can't use the same name in the same another functions. Okay. වෙන function එකේදී අපි එකම නම පාවිච්චි කරන්න බෑ. We have to declare another variable there. Okay. Remember it. Okay. ඒක අනිවාර්යෙන්ම මතක තියාගන්න. We have to use another function there. So now I declare this circle area function. So we have to overload this function. We have to run this function within the program. So we have to overload in this function again like circle area here. Okay. It should be depend on what? Plot in what? Plot radius r or that there should be, he doesn't know anything. This is the converter. He should be use several name. Plot radius. Okay. There should be use another name. Okay. You can use this one also. It is okay. But here I use another name which is okay. Okay. Likewise, you can do this one. Here, now we download do like this. We are passing this function here. අපි function එක pass කරන්න. So I can run this function within the main function. Okay. I can run this function within the main function like here. Okay. We have to pass this function. Now we can pass it run this function like here. Now, if I build this one, you can see it is successful. Good building. Good. If I run this one, you can see. If I enter 7 likewise, you can see getting the output like here. Okay. Likewise, you can do this program again. Okay. You can do this one. Okay. If I try to do this one again. Okay.